everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be switching the BNSF 2615 with the CSX Intermodal 2705. So, we're going to be putting them, I'm going to be putting the 2705 where the 2615 is right now, and 2615 is going to go where the 2705 is right now, okay? So now, first of all, I'm going to pull back the power so that nothing happens. Now to do that, you just push this down, and I'm going to turn off all the controllers. Okay, so now we are going to take both of them off of the track. First, we have to disconnect them from the cars. And I'm going to take it off the track. You can do the switch thingy. But I'm not going to, okay, guys? It's because, my dad doesn't want me to. So, now I am gonna take off the BNSF. So let's come over here. And I'm gonna put the BNSF on this table. Now, let's see. First, I have to disconnect this. Now, I have to grab this train with both hands because it's too heavy. So, I'll try to put the camera so that I can show you. Okay, here it is. Now, I am going to put it on the track. Alright, I am going to try to show you this too. I'm going to put it... So, I just have to get the camera in the right place. Oopsies, guys. I couldn't show you. Let me get this up. Okay. Now, my BNSF is going to pull the CSX load. And the CSX is going to pull the Polar Express cars, the mail car, and on and on. Let me just put this sign here. But, that's why I don't want to ruin it. So, let me make sure everything's on. Alright, now we're gonna go and do the CSX. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys when it's done, okay? Okay, after lots of tries, I finally got it on. Now, I have to connect the cars. I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, it is all done. Now let's start it up and see what happens. Okay, now my train is on the outside track. And my brother's train is on the inside track. Let me see if I can zoom more to show you. Yeah. Alright. So. I was just looking at the thingy. Alright. So now we are gonna move that. Now I'm gonna show it around.